Ghana National College is represented by
Smiler Salma, final year.
Salma.
Ovi.
Yes. Yes, Salma.
0.255.
Yes. Find the angle of an inclined plane at which a 50-Newton block will begin to slide if the limiting coefficient of static friction between the block and plane is √3/3. Salma.
30 degrees.
You're right. The specific latent heat of ice is 340 kilojoules per kilogram. How much heat will just melt 20 kilograms of ice? Yes, Enoch. Go ahead, Dixon.
780 kilopascal.
No. Yes, Salma. Stop ringing.
6,800 kilojoules.
Yes. Determine if a triangle is a right-angled triangle, given that the angles are in a ratio of 1:2:3. Dixon.
It's not a right-angle triangle.
No, that's incorrect. Which of them?
It's a right-angle triangle. It's a right-angle
National.
triangle.
Okay, Salma.
It's a right-angle triangle.
Yes. Tamale Senior High School is represented by
Baba Mohamed Zuera, final year.
Zuera.
7/30.
You're right. Krobo Girls Senior High School is represented by
Obi Upokwa Jemima, final year.
Yes, Jemima.
3.
That's right. Yes, Jemima.
The f of x dx is equal to 20x cubed minus 16x plus 10.
All right. What type of succession can take place in a newly created pond? Yes. Go ahead.
Primary succession.
Yes. I have only carbons, hydrogens, and 1 chlorine atom in my molecule. I have 5 carbons in a straight chain. I'm not the best choice for a nucleophilic substitution reaction. I possess 2 other position isomers. I have symmetry all around me and therefore cannot possess any stereoisomers. My chlorine atom is situated exactly in the middle of my... Yes. Jemima.
3 chloropentane.
Yes. I am a fundamental particle. I share my name with the second letter of a certain alphabet. Yes, Jemima.
Beta particle.
Pardon?
Beta particle.
Yes. I am associated with events and outcomes. I express the likelihood of an event occurring. I'm the probability of an event expressed as a percentage. Perhaps, by chance, you will get this right. Who am I? Jemima.
Chance.
Yes. Tamale Senior High School is represented by
Anjali Rathod, final year.
Yes, Anjali.
6.0 meters per second squared.
You're right. Wesley Girls High School is represented by
Benedicta Ramadan, so final year.
Benedicta.
1/6 squared units.
You're right.
Okay.
Yes, Benedicta.
They can produce their own proteins and other substances needed for their processes.
Okay. When I get to your school, I will give you a biological association. Association. Classify the given association under one of the following types of mutualism. Your options are obligate mutualism, facultative mutualism, trophic mutualism, defensive mutualism, or dispersive mutualism. Honeybees and plants. Benedicta.
Dispersive mutualism.
You're right. Which of the acids, HClO2 and HClO3, is a stronger acid? Yes, which of you, please? Benedicta.
HClO3.
You're right. Why are apples generally wrapped in waxed paper? You rang, yes. Benedicta.
It is to prevent them from being oxidized by atmospheric oxygen, which can cause their spoilage or rotting.
Yes. Give the hybridization of the bonding orbitals of beryllium in its... Yes, Francisca.
SP.
Yes. The magnitude of the magnetic flux density 1 meter from a long straight current carrying wire is 2 nanotesla. Find the magnitude of the magnetic flux density 0.5 meters. Yes, right.
4 nanotesla.
Yes. Explain why, even though both phenol and ethanol contain the OH group, phenol, yes, right.
Phenol is more acidic than ethanol. This is because the acidity of compounds depends on the ability of the OH bonds to be polarized for H plus ions to be released, and also the stabilization of the resulting conjugate ion formed. When phenol protonates, it forms the phenoxide ion, which is stabilized by resonance. But when ethanol protonates, it forms the earth oxide ion, which is not stabilized by resonance.
Yes. A binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers excluding -1 by A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. Find the identity E. Yes. Right.
0.
Yes.
A committee of 3 is to be formed from 3 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done if there are 2 women and 1 man on the committee? Yes, Adventist Senior High, Bantama.
6 ways.
That is incorrect. For Menati, Ayamas.
4 ways.
That is incorrect. You didn't ring your bell. Keta Senior High Technical School.
9 ways.
That is correct.
Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are homologous or analogous pairs. Indicate whether the following are homologous or analogous pairs and give a reason. The mammalian tail and the human coccyx.
They are homologous structures. This is because they originate from the same ancestor but are used to perform different functions. In the mammalian causes.
It's okay, you get it correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the gradient of the given curve at the point A on the curve. Awudome. X squared minus xy plus y squared equals 7. At A, 2, -1. Richmond.
So, we have the gradient to be equal to 5/3.
That is incorrect.
5/4.
That is correct. Mauli School. 2x squared minus xy plus 3y squared equals 4 at A, 1, 1. Yes, Emmanuel.
Negative 3 over 5.
That is correct. In healthy adults, there are two normal heart sounds which occur in sequence with each other. What name is given to them? Go ahead, Ogia.
Pulses.
That is incorrect. Maoli School.
The lab and the dab.
That is correct. Maoli School. The coefficient of linear expansion of a substance is 2.90 times 10 to the power negative 5 Kelvin. Per Kelvin, sorry. Find the change in volume of 1.60 meters cubed of the substance when its temperature changes from 15.0 degrees Celsius to 40.0 degrees Celsius. Yes, Emmanuel.
3.48 times 10 exponent negative 3 meter cube.
That is correct. The interior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the degree measures of the exterior. Yes, Maoli.
They are given by...
Just give me the values.
150 degrees, 120 degrees, and 90 degrees.
That is correct. What name is given to the functional unit or contractile unit of a muscle? Yes, Maoli.
The sarcomere.
Sarcomere is correct.
St. Louis Senior High School is represented by
Innocent Philippa Efriye.
Yes, Philippa.
X is equal to negative 5 or 3.
You are right. Philippa.
48 degrees Celsius.
You're right. That's incorrect. Yes, go ahead, Pfizer.
2-chloro-2-methyl butane.
That's the right one. 1-methyl cyclobutene. Pfizer.
1-chloro-1-methyl cyclobutane.
Yes. Y is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 2x squared plus 3. Philippa.
0, 3, 1, 2, negative 1, 2.
That's right. If it takes 11.2 hours to transport a radioisotope of half-life 1.6 hours from a laboratory to a hospital for diagnosis, what is the minimum amount of the isotope that has to be produced if 3.50 milligram of it is required? That is required for use. Philippa.
448 milligrams.
You are right. Go ahead. Pfizer.
1.28 hours.
You are right. What is the function of the tapetum lucidum in animals? Philippa?
It helps nocturnal animals to see at night. That is, it helps in night vision of animals.
Yes. How many moles of acid is required to convert 5 moles of iodate to iodine in a reduction reaction? Philippa?
30 moles.
Yes. Yes, Pfizer?
We have 2 brackets multiplying. In the first bracket, we have the expression x minus 1. And in the second bracket, we have the expression x squared plus x plus 9.
You are right. What is the oxidation state of iron in hemoglobin? Yes, Bawa?
+3.
That's incorrect. Kurang? Yes.
Plus 2.
Pfizer?
Plus 2. Plus 2.
Yes. And that's the end of the second round.